Hello, and welcome to all. So today again, we are going to discuss something new about the electrical system. So this is the series is going on for the electrical engineers who want to work in the construction industry or already in the construction industry, maybe having an experience of 10, maximum 10 years. Because this is not for the experts who are already in this particular domain since long time. They're well aware about all those subjects what I'm going to uh, explaining in this particular videos and the previous videos, some of the previous videos also. So hope you have already started enjoying with my previous video. And if you have not gone through the earlier videos, please go through and check it. And if you think you are getting, you got some values and all these videos are helping you for your journey in the construction industry, then please subscribe my channel so that I will also be inspired and I'll bring more videos. And obviously, you share your comments if you have anything. See whether it is negative comment or positive comment, that does not matter. What is coming to your mind, you can speak out and put it in the comment box. And what you want, what is your desire? Okay, suppose you are stuck in something in your systems, in your career. Just mention in the comment box so that let's see how can I help you. Okay, and one thing I want to tell you that if you are watching these videos from mobile, that is also okay. You can zoom in and zoom out for some of the documents what I'm going to share. Sometimes it is not visible clearly from mobile. So better to learn all those things from laptop or in a bigger screen so that you will get more visibility and more clarity. So don't waste time and let's start for today's topic. Discuss about the BOQ, bill of quantities. For a electrical system, let's say it's a residential project. Okay, in a residential project, how you prepare BOQ, electrical BOQ, and I will not teach anything. I will give a prompt and what is coming from ChatGPT, let's see, and accordingly we are learning together. Hope it is visible. So I just put here this paste this prompt. The same style of prompt I'm using since last previous videos also, but the topic is different. So here I am using this prompt. Could you please provide me with a deeper understanding about preparation of BOQ, bill of quantities for electrical systems in a residential project? Let's see what will come. Here it is coming. Let's understand the basics things, okay, by this mentor, artificial intelligence. How to prepare BOQ for electrical system in a residential project? That is the questions. So what is there? It will break down 7-step professional framework that aligns with how large EPC and MEP firms handle electrical BOQs for residential complexes, high-rise tower, group housing, etc. Let's see purpose and scope of electrical BOQ. The BOQ is structured document that quantifies and itemizes all the electrical materials, equipment, and works required for a project. It serves as a costing and estimation tool for tendering or budgeting. We'll go in details about costing, estimation, tendering process, budgeting, okay, all those in the later stage. These are all individual topics. Procurement, a procurement and material tracking document, a reference for progress billing and the project control. For residential project, the BOQ covers internal electrical works inside flats, external electrical works, and the common area electrical work. Number two, reference or documents and the inputs required. Before preparing the BOQ, ensure you have number one, approved tender drawings for lighting, power, DB details, SLDs, etc., etc. Technical specifications, where it is mentioned the IS code, project standards, and the manufacturer's specs, schedule of rates. Maybe it is DSR rate as per the CPWD, or client approved vendor rates, load schedule, because DSL rate and all it's already defined for certain period of time. So it's from the, and it is published from the government or organization. So you can consider these rates. Load schedule for DB, feeder, and transformer sizing. Layout coordination drawing. Finalize beam of GFC drawing. Then electrical room layouts and schematics. So these are the inputs you require to prepare a BOQ. So before preparation of BOQ, all these are in ready condition. Now, the structure of electrical BOQ. A well-structured BOQ is divided by system and location, such as number BOQ section. There is a categorized sections has been provided. So the one BOQ section A is for the main power distribution system, which is transformer panel cables. Then B, you will get the internal electrification. C, the common area lighting, and the D is the LT panel feeder pillars, earthing, lighting protection. All those, this F, there is a fire alarm access control system. It will coming under the ELV system. So separately, in some video, we will discuss about the BOQ preparation for ELV system. So I will cover these topics. G is the external electrification, okay, like street lighting, underground cables, poles, and all those things. So that way, because in a project, electrical system is big, and that depends on the how big, how what is the size of the project. And then you have to segregate internal. These are the things you have to segregate. External, these are the things you need to segregate. And then what methodology are following? Methodology for BOQ preparation. The quantification from drawings. So you will get the quantity from drawing. If you use the AutoCAD or the BIM model, take off to count fittings, lengths, and points. It is easily will get from the BIM model. If you know, if you don't know, it's okay, because these are the steps is not actually prepared by yourself. So you can take help from the design team or the consultant to get all the quantities. Although you can find by yourself also from the drawing. Identify the circuits, EV connections, and the feeder routes. Create zone-wise quantity sheet. There is maybe there is a different buildings. Okay, it's a type A, type B, type C, type D, whatever, clubhouse, and the various other buildings also there. So accordingly, you have to differentiate all those buildings. Now, what are the measurement units we are following here? Like light and fan points, we're considering numbers. AC point, power point numbers, cables, running meter or normally we are using the unit meter, panels numbers, tray and conduit, meter, sometimes square meter. Mostly we are using the meter unit, earthing numbers, or also like earth, if there is a earth strip, we can consider as a unit as a meter, poles numbers, dBs numbers. So these are the units normally we are following. Now the step 3 is the description of items. Each items in the BOQ must include followings: item number, description. If you make it in an Excel sheet, so you have to put it in a particular column, all those data. What is the make or the specification, what you need, the quantity, then unit rate, then the total amount. So it will come down like this. So there is an example how you can prepare the BOQ. So in this example, it is showing this supply, installation, testing, and commissioning of 4-core 16 square mm copper armored cable. So 1.1 kV grade. These are the specifications laid on the tray oval surface with saddle and accessories. And make is polycab handles phenolites. Okay, these are the OEM. Unit is meter, quantity is 1200, rate is 285 rupees per meter, and the total amount is 3,42,000. Now, how to prepare the rate analysis? For accurate cost estimation, refer here it is showing the CPWD, DSR, or market rates. You can collect the rates from the different vendors. Although it is a part of the procurement job, but you can also directly connect with the vendors and collect the quotations, where you will get the current rates and all, including material, the labor cost, what is the overheads, and the wastage. Normally, we are considering 3 to 5% wastage in any project, and more for imported or the special items like if chiller, not in the electrical system, chiller is there. In electrician, some of the panels maybe it is coming from the outside India, TG or transformer. Okay, many equipment, lighting equipment are there, which is coming from Sweden or some other countries. Normally, what we have used in the airports, most of the items coming from outside of the India. Use vendor boards. Okay, you may use the vendor boards. Then, because these are the items, some of the items which is not a regular item. You will get the rates from the DSR, the items which are regular items. If it's not regular item, then you have to collect the quotation from the vendors. Then segregation for phasing. Then separate the supply, installation, and testing if required by contract. Group item under work package for phase procurement, etc. Now, the fifth part is the BOQ item examples for residential. We are giving examples. You need to put down in an Excel file, and you can prepare by yourself for your project by following this structure. So, serial number, the description, and the unit quantity, and the remarks. Okay, let's see 1-2 examples. The light fittings, points wiring with 1.5 square mm copper wire in a PVC conduit. Is a point wiring we're talking about. So number of points is 1200, including switch and boxes. Okay, same for the power point, same for the ceiling fan, distribution board, wheelway, SP and DB, cables 4.25 square mm, with the earthing 600, 6 mm GI plate with chamber is a conventional earthing that is talking about total number 60, and you will follow the IS code 3043. So you have to mention everything like this way. And then the sixth part is the validation and the cross check. Before finalizing, cross check the quantities versus drawing, the technical compliance, the load summary, unit of measurement, and the duplication or omission, if something is missing or if there is any duplication is there or not. The number 7 is the deliverables and the BOQ output formats. So you can put it in Excel format, Excel BOQ, system-wise, phase-wise, summary sheet, total cost by system, rate analysis, backup, vendor comparison sheet. This format are using serial number, description, lighting, and power wiring. Specification is 1.5 square mm copper FRL square, PVC through PVC conduit point. Quantity is 1500, price 600, so total cost is 9 lakhs, and it is as per the drawing. Same for the main LT panel cost. Okay, so that way you prepare a BOQ. Just recap this 1-2 times so you can break down all those things once properly. And you may, if you're a novice, if you only focusing on the execution part and you are not involving preparation of BOQ, so you can do by yourself by following this methodology. Okay, now thing is that what you want to do in your life, what is your goal, what is your motto, how fast you want to grow in your career, that depends only to what type of information, what type of knowledge. So hope this you enjoyed this video. And as I told you earlier also that these are the technical knowledge. And definitely you have to be master all those technical knowledge, but the weightage is very less. Why? Because every project is different, and when you are working in the project, you will facing a new challenges. So if I will tell you about my challenges, what I faced, so where from you get some idea. But when you will face those challenges, maybe it will be different. Okay, so everything is not same, but if your basic is okay and you are confident about yourself, your knowledge, then it will help you can move fast in your career. So it is not only technical things, you have to develop some of the project management part, project management knowledge, managerial skills, leadership qualities, all those. It's not only learning, you have to practice also. When you do practice, then only you need to implement. Otherwise, only listening, only watching will not help you. You will not go to the next level until unless you will implement all those things in your life. So implementation is very much required. Like particularly this video also, what I am just now shown to you, how to prepare BOQ. You go through this once again if you want, and you just play with this chat GTP to more getting more details, more understanding. After that, you will implement in your project. So hope you enjoyed this video. So if you are getting some value, then subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. Bye.